If you encounter suspicious activity related to Western Union, it is important to report it promptly to help prevent fraud. Follow these steps to ensure your report is effective. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about the suspicious activity. This includes transaction numbers, sender and receiver names, dates, and any communication you received. Step 2. Visit the Western Union website. Go to the official Western Union website. Look for the Fraud Awareness or Report Fraud section, which will provide guidance on how to report suspicious activities. Step 3. Use the reporting form. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact customer service. If you prefer to report the activity by phone, call Western Union as customer service. Be prepared to provide the same information you gathered earlier for a thorough report. Step 5. Report to local authorities. If you believe the suspicious activity is part of a larger scam or crime, report it to your local law enforcement agency. Provide them with all the information you have collected. By following these steps, you can help protect yourself and others from potential fraud. Always stay vigilant and report any suspicious activities as soon as possible.